Top of the morning, man. Top of the morning. You know who it is, who it should be, man. AKA J Cass. Better known now as who? In real life, Trucker J. You know what I mean? Because in life, you got to evolve. You can't remain the same. You heard? That's how we doing it out here. But yo, I'm about to get to it, man. I'm on my Mr. T shit today. I'm tired of bozos. You know, like just bozos that one bozo did jail time. Okay, salute. You was in and out the box, the whole getting commissary, sharing the shit bowl with another dude, sharing showers with other sausages, paws. The other bozo was in and out of jail, had a secret relationship with Bam Bada, getting rammed, admitted that they was jerking off paws. Two bozos. But J Cass got the lowest subscribers out of both of y'all. But do it look like I need fucking YouTube? Do it look like this is for the trolls too? Do it look like how I got the remote in my pocket? Do it look like I need YouTube, you fucking bozos? Listen, I inspire to be a YouTuber. My content is real on YouTube. This is for the bozos. I don't need it. I don't get paid off it. I don't even have 1,000 subscribers, so I can't monetize. But I can do this though. I can do this. Y'all know what hundreds look like, right? I could do this. That's that 100 pack. I could do this. You heard? I had to go on my safe to get this. It's not a lot. It's working money. I'm legal now. But I have receipts behind me of all my street endeavors. The 050, the dirty blood, only receipts Bozo got. You understand me? Those is 20s. Only receipt Bozo got, right? And sitting in the hall, in the mess hall, eating that nasty ass food. And no disrespect to people that did time, but obviously you fucked up, and that's why you did time. Some of us didn't get horsed in the game, bozos. So what we talking about? What we talking about? Yo, JK hard on 050. Cause this bozo spoke on my peoples, and let's get to it. Know what I mean? Hold up. Let's get motherfucker spoke on my peoples. That's why. This is not a game. But let's get to it. Let me add it to the stage on why I'm going hard, pause, on 050, the Dirty Blood Movement. I can show you better than I can tell you. Boy ran his mouth about official guys that he don't know. Come on with the bullshit, man. God damn, pull the joint up, man. Let's go. Don't start that shit today. Shit, man. Not a joint. Hold on, y'all. Technical difficulties. But we gonna get through it. We gonna get through it. There you go. You son of a bitch. Yo, man. Man! Damn internet. So let's get into it. I'm giving this bozo free promotion. We gonna talk about my people, man. He had a lot to say. Made a song about my guy. It's kind of funny though. Yo, son. Yo, son. I ain't really seen them Brooklyn niggas break in the locker. I just made that up while I was watching clockers. Cool with the killers and robbers, but that ain't this. I'm Yo,
to the channel. Please hit the like button. Please subscribe.
I gotta say something on that, yo. Yo, China. Pause. We in real time. That was real creative, my guy. I like that shit. I ain't gonna lie. That joint was funny. But Bozo, you talking about Yonkers, my nigga. Just because Kiss didn't get horsed in the game like you did, because you was sloppy, didn't know how to move in the streets, you wasn't no boss. You gonna hate on another man because he elevated from the streets, made it in the rap game, now he living lavish, but you always been a bum? Make it make sense. So you have to go to jail? I didn't go to jail. Knock on fucking wood. I never been to jail. I got locked up for the 2 charges overnight, bailed out, beat cases. I never did a long stretch. I never been to Green Haven, Katsaki, Valhalla, Rikers, none of that. But I'll knock your fucking teeth out, 050. I'm official tissue. I'm pulling out money. Like, what we talking about? Just because you went to jail, that makes you official? That makes you official. So Jadakiss had to go to jail to be official. So since you want to speak on Yonkers business, I have to sun you. You have 73.k subscribers. Are you living better than J-Caz? That's what I want to know. Since you want to talk about my peoples. But I'm going to add you back to the stage, Bozo. Let me add Bozo back to the stage so he can run his mouth. Because that's all he good for. He runs his damn trap. But don't know about real official boss made men. They have to go to jail to be official? Make this shit make sense.
If you watch it, that means God chose you. Because a lot of people didn't get chose to wake up today. Amen to that. Salute to everybody. Salam. You already know. I want this one to be specifically for Jadakiss, man. I actually started liking Jadakiss. No, I'm not even gonna say I actually started liking Jadakiss, because when it's my top 5, Jadakiss always been, I say, close to 2. He probably my second top 5. And it could be argumentatively, that he is.
Look at this dude's outfit, man. Now you Hassan, you sitting in a car. Now you giving commentary in the car like you Hassan. Look how bummy this dude look. Matter of fact, cause I'm a son this nigga today. I'm in that mood right now. Look at this Bozo's lineup, man. And I heard he was a rat. Real spill. I heard this boy was a rat. Hey man, Harlem Legend is bums. Like they need you. Let me tell you something, boy. You spoke about my peoples, my nigga. That's J-Caz standing next to top 5 dead or alive. When you speak on Yonkers business, I gotta step in. Cause you beneath Kiss, but Kiss got real goons that ran with him from time to time. And we don't play that. I break your jaw, 050. Word is born. You're not even living better than me, and you got more subscribers. You're supposed to be eating. You're supposed to be stuck like Hassan. You're supposed to have receipts like I got behind. You're supposed to have receipts, bro. You talking about made men. You understand? If you a boss, are you supposed to get caught? If you a boss, don't you hand out the work and have workers? See, you wouldn't know that, you dirty blood, because you always been dirty. Let me put the fair uses up here, because I'm using this clown's content. I don't want him to strike my channel like the bitch he is. Look at how this people living during real time. I just pulled out 2,000 in your face. Like, look how his people's living in real time. Yo, you have to show me something. When you run your mouth, you see that sign right there? You only get that, bozo, when you purchase your property. When you become a homeowner, you get that sign right there. I need to see receipts from this bozo since he want to run his motherfucking mouth. Like, real spill. I need to see receipts, man. That's all I'm saying. Shut me up. You can't because you were dirty blood. Let's get to that. Let's be on some zip with the drip. Let's get to that. You were dirty blood, my nigga. Let me add you back to the stage, dirty blood. Because, yeah, I'm in that mood this morning. I feel like Mr. T. Hold on. I feel like I'm Mr. T in this dude. I feel real fabulous this morning. Pulling out bread. Like, what we talking about? What we talking about? You want the hundreds or you want the 20 pack? What we talking about? You a bozo and you speaking on Yonkers men, official men out here. And I have to sun you. You heard? I need to see receipts. You see all those, you see that face? You see them Benzes? I need to see receipts, man. And I'm going to show you live video, too, for those that's just saying, oh, J Cass, it's just a picture. Nigga, I got live video, too. But I'm not done cooking with this bozo. Because I'm going to cook this motherfucker today. You're looking dirty. You're bummy. Receding hairline. You're garbage. You need YouTube. J Cass don't need. Do it look like I need YouTube, my guy? Do I inspire to be up there with the numbers and the rankings? Of course, or I wouldn't be doing it. I lost the channel with 4,050 subscribers. I chilled for a few years, and now I'm back because I'm bored. I'm at home now. I'm not outside no more. You heard I'm in the big rig damn near 5 to 6 days a week. But right now I'm using PTO time, and I got plenty of it. So I want to run my mouth. I want to get back in the league. But boy, you not... I'm like Max B coming home, and you Mel Matrix looking bummy, and look at J Cass with only 500 subscribers. Let's make this make sense. Separate the real from the fake. That's what I'm trying to tell y'all, man. When you dealing with official guys, we don't need YouTube. You need it. You Harlem Legend, all y'all niggas trying to live off this. I don't need it, man. You fucking bozo. Like, I can't stand these guys, man. They suckers in real time. Well, let me add them back.
I respect it. Listen, this nigga got bars that's outrageous. Put it in the comment section. He made great music. So, in his music basically allowed him to be solid to the point that right now I could talk about, Jadakiss, and brothers out there get offended. I talked about him. Oh, Jadakiss don't live the life that we live. Even though it's facts, he did not been in prison, did time like I did or other people did, and nothing wrong with that. The thing is,
I have to stop. This shit is it got me fish grease, man. It really got me fish grease. So you telling me you have to go to jail to commit a crime? I could go out here right now and sell bricks of fentanyl and don't get caught. That don't mean I'm not grinding and hustling? That's why I got involved, because this bozo don't know what went on behind the scenes. I'm not about to incriminate Kiss. Kiss had yes men. Gusto, Stay Money, K, all those guys did time. Stupid. Because he didn't do... Yo, son, he's doing the handoffs. He's the backup. He's the sponsor. What have you done besides go to jail, 3 hots in the cot, beating your dick beaters in jail until you came home? Pause. What have you done outside? What trophies you got? That's why some of y'all people, man, that be subscribing to these motherfuckers, call them out. Pull out receipts. I only have 503 subscribers, and I got receipts for days. And I'm like I said, when I'm done cooking with this dude, I'm gonna pull up my receipts. Some of us was really outside with the apes and the animals. Just because you was in jail with rules, when to shit, when to shower, when to eat, that makes Kiss not official, man. Shut up, boy. Get your hairline. Get just for hair men, whatever the fuck they call it, man. This dude is a sucker.
Every pain is different. A person who went to prison, they can understand how it feels to be in prison than a person who lived their whole life out in society. Which
I did.
I respect because we are the dumb ones.
Exactly.
But the narrative that was projected by these rappers like Jadakiss and them, no disrespect to Jadakiss. They never lived that lifestyle, but they make that lifestyle into something that's gangster, something that's real when these kids is listening. That's the only thing I wanted to get across to Jadakiss. Now, I wanna say something to him as far as, and it comes with apologies as well. I'm a grown man. When I'm wrong, one thing I come on the internet and say, China, you wrong. Did I bash Jadakiss for a lot of things? Yes, I bashed him. You know what I'm saying? But it really wasn't bashing. Sometimes it can be the way I say things that people would take it way offensive. But I think what I did, it helped out. It helped out. We got to keep it real. First of all, why I'm going to say it helped out is, this the reason. Jadakiss went to probably, we on his third facility. Just think about this. Right now, Jadakiss is on his third facility. He been going to facilities to reach out to these inmates. And when he come out of every facility, he say, put it in the comment section. You know, he even called me out my name on one of them. He said, you idiot. But I sit back and I said, sometimes it takes for brothers like me to come at these dudes.
So you mean to tell me you only doing this for clout? You only doing this for clout? I don't understand a person that never got horsed in. I never got horsed in the game. I got lawyers and I beat my 2 major cases in my life. I never did a prison stint ever. But I'm one of the realest on this joint. Like, I will knock you out because I'd rather go with the hands first. I'm official tissue. I got plenty of receipts. And I'm living fabulous after the streets. Homeowner. Yeah, I'm Trucker J now. See, some of us is really giving something fruitful back to the youth. Some of us is not playing. This is real life. They hire felons in real life. Yeah, I'm Trucker J now, but at one point in time, I was this guy. Huh? This is now after the streets. I still stay with foreigners. Like I said, I got receipts for days, man. That's my backyard right now. And I still look like I'm doing something. Now, do you want me to be up here misleading the public? That's Alexa and the Jag. These are all receipts. Like I said, you was inside jerking off, pause, while some of us was outside riding high and living that life for real and pushing foreigns for real in real time. That's why I said I'm cooking this dude. This is after the streets. And you see that there's nothing right there, right? Watch this video I'll pull up. Watch this video I'll pull up. Because see, I'm going to cook this dude. You want to speak about my peoples, man. And I'm not having it. I'm not having it, man. Not on this time. You need to watch your mouth because you never know what might match you for speaking on made men. We all spread out. I've been in Atlanta 11 years and ran with kissing them damn near 4 to 5 years. Straight. I met Max before he went in. And if my wife didn't destroy the damn phone, I would have those receipts too. You understand? You talking about made men. You a sucker. And I'm about to expose this bozo. What receipts do he have right now and in the past? I'm gonna pull up right now. I'm gonna pull my yard up. It's gonna take a couple minutes because that's how glorious shit.
Fucked up, right? I know. I know what y'all niggas asking yourself. Is he gonna ever fall off? No. A lot of speculation on the monies I've made, honeys I've slayed. How is he for real? Is that nigga really paid? Hustlers I've met or dealt with direct. Is it true he stayed in beef and slept with a tech? What's the position you hold? Can you really match a triple platinum artist buck by buck, but only a single going gold? Rockefeller shit fold, and you left out in the cold. Is it back to charging motherfuckers 11 for a O? For the millionth time, asking.
Motherfucker.
What?
Right. Charles. Sure.
Stop it!
Fucked up, right?
Cooking this dude, man. What's your life like, 050? Get out that car. Show me something, man. You heard? Show me something. That's what I'm saying. So is it fair to say J Cass don't need YouTube? Looking like Mr. T out here. You heard? can pull money out his pocket. You heard? 20 pack, 100 pack. You know what I mean? Alfa Romeo sitting outside, pickup truck, and the Challenger in the garage. You know what I'm saying? This is life after the streets. I want to know how this bozo's living now. But let me pull up more receipts for the trolls. And this is what I don't understand. How come y'all don't respect the real one that could pull up receipts instead of somebody just chatty patty running their mouth talking about jail? Who glorifies going to jail? That means you lost. You need a Jet 2 holiday. You lost. You heard? That means you lost, bro. You got cooked. You went to jail. The judge cooked you. Gave you time. Like, seriously. How could you glorify going to jail? Just look at this bozo, man. Don't this nigga look sad? And I heard his paperwork on him, too. Don't let him fool you. He's a dirty blood, man. Get you out of here. Look at that dude hairline. He ain't got no hairline, man. Shit is garbage. You know what I mean? Yo, this boy is garbage, man, but I'm cooking him right now. Because now he has to respond. He has to show some kind of receipts on what kind of motion he had that put him in jail. Because you know some of them Brooklyn niggas is only known for robbing and stealing. You heard? They ain't known for getting money like that. So I want to know what motion he had before he did all those years in jail, since he wants to brag about jail. That's my motion right behind me when I was in the streets. 3 Benzes, a Lex and the Jag, and more cars in between. That's my motion. But, you know, let's get to my D-Block days. My D-Block receipts. Let's get to that.
You know what I do to you? Turn your festivities right into a funeral. The body look beautiful. Now you can let them know it's real wherever kiss at. Your face get broke though. I don't know who can fix that. You might have to ask Ye that. I don't play that. I was moving that van to white before Say Jack. 500 stacks in the condo. Pronto. Handshakes. Eye contact when I convo. Fake and the phony don't mix. Real homies roll thick. Real rollies don't tick. You're lying. And your stupid ass chains. How the fuck you expect people to believe them is real?
Never the real fake. Everybody hustle and they all deal weight. When they get around them thugs, they don't all feel safe. Every rapper blood a trip that don't bang. You be with the cops in the soft ass gang. Come to D-Block, you would've lost that chain. Or M16 would've off your brain.
You keep the hammer on your waist, clap your hands. No jewelry, just a couple rubber bands. Yeah, you real and you know it. Take the skinny jeans back. Take the auto-tune off and stop acting all soft. If you love it in the hood, clap your hands. Late night strip club, mommy do the dance. Yeah, she Luch, Donnie the gorilla got cake, yo. Lay low, eyes closed, I see who's fake. He's phony, she's fake. She's fake.
I got that big boy flow, they call it heavy rhymes. The world loving me, they recite every line. I'm about to win this race, I'm at the finish line. I'm starving in these streets, where my plate, dinner time.
I'm good with the music, but you know I be trapping. D-Block, baby, you don't know how to act, man. We from the hood where you know things happen. Things happen. Oh, I stay with 3 girls, yeah, you know I'm addicted. Talk about the money, cause the money we get in. Haters keep on talking, but you know we don't listen. We don't listen.
Okay, I love the smell of money. I need them presidents. I know a couple goons run up in your residence. Born and raised in these streets, thug ever since. Ride nice whips, fish bowl, never tense. I keep the blicky on stand with a better imp. Make sure I kill niggas, fuck getting murdered, Tim. I'm a starter on the block, I am never bitch. You dreaming sleeping on me, but dog, here's a pitch. When it rains, it pours, I don't get drenched. You rappers 4th and 1, you need another inch. Mechanic, all this rap shit, where's my wrench? You big dogs going out like Merrill Lynch.
I'm good with the music, but you know I be trapping. D-Block, baby, you don't know.
hands in the air with the keys up, nigga. Breathe up, nigga. 10 feet back. Rough, please. You about smooth as this yak. Little ass career about wide as my back. Mac on the seats of the Austin. Austin and Fifth on the highway. Headed to Boston. Catch me in the hood, but not that often. I'm highway miles. Frequent flyers. The ice cream man, you can call me Bryce. Drink light up, then you smelling my tires. I'm all in the streets, I'm worse than flyers. Fake Gottis, no bodies. For the fam, I stretch niggas out more than Pilates. Sword off shoddy in the old Navy bag. Hand out the window in the D-block rag.
Hey, yo, the truest stories ever told. We stay focused on the roll, let that money roll. Just get your dough, stick and shooting, that's how it go. We showing proof, we making moves and we next to blow. It's 354, the truest stories ever told. We stay focused on the roll, let that money roll. Just get your dough, stick and shooting, that's how it go. We showing proof, we making moves in, baby. And we next to blow. Let me get mine in. Now who can complain about the fame that the game brought them? But who's to blame when them things that aim to bang on them? Same blood, same sweat, but the years that changed on them. You can ride and be blind and die at the same moment, but he pick his path, rules don't last. Some laws are just meant to be broke when you force the blast. You gonna stay trapped inside or clap to survive? That's what I asked for, I mashed the gas, now let's ride. Check out his script, now check out his flip. I got it double what I bubble, so I keep working out on the strip. But back to the game, the music only making us rich. It's a shame cause the fame ain't worth what we spit. This is from the heart, so that must be for the love. I'm good in every hood, dog, the new voice of the thugs. Nowadays I drink plenty of water and walk slow and let my dough bubble low, then come out and blow. Hey yo, truest stories ever told. We stay focused on the roll, let that money roll. Just get your dough, get it shooting, that's how it go. We showing proof, we making moves and we next to blow. It's 354, truest stories ever told. We stay focused on the roll, let that money roll. Just get your dough, stick it shooting, that's how it go. We showing proof, we making moves and we next to blow. It's 354. Hey yo, true story, they ain't got nothing for me. Snipe hold it down like a round from the 40. Grams in the spot, but the pack on shorty. I just hand him the rock and he run the trap for me. Let that money swole till it triple up. Split a Dutch, focus on the shows on the road that I'm ripping up. All it took was a 16, see I wreck teams. Tell execs, cut a check, I'm the next thing. The new talk of the city, ain't nothing pretty, everything gritty, cause I got the hood with me. A part of the industry, but I don't be around it. I'm in the grind like crime on your mind, that's how I stay grounded. And I'm reminded of the times when some doubted. They never told me to my face, so they all cowards. Clear my space, so now a nigga stacking for a profit. Keeping it cracking while it's poppin'. Yo, the real stories ever told. We stay focused on the roll, let that money roll. Just get your dough, stick and shooting, that's how it go. We showing proof, we making moves and we next to blow. It's 354, truest stories ever told. We stay focused on the roll, let that money roll. Just get your dough, stick and shooting, that's how it go. We showing proof, we making moves and we next to blow. It's 354. Woo. Yeah. 354 Entertainment. Exclusive. Wow, what up? Yeah.
I'm cooking this bozo. I got receipts, 050. So you know if I'm showing those receipts, you know I'm not lying about wifey. When Max B, before Max B went in, and I told you I flipped my phone like this, cause see, D-Block had one rule. You get in where you fit in, right? And if you behind the scenes, you don't have no phone out. That shit is corny. They ain't like that. But see, I was able to play it off that one moment. I said, I gotta get this footage. I act like I was texting, and I just put this just like this, and I fan the room. You see Max B playing the NBA game, whatever that shit was, him and Bully was playing. You know what I mean? Pause. Had his hair out like Fabio and shit. He was real cool. Came up because he was beating Bully. So he was like, yo, you see that big man? He came up dapping everybody and went back over playing the game. I had the footage. That's why I'm saying they call me Mr. Receipt. See, the internet don't like when it's a real one talking that can prove he was outside with the apes, that can prove he was outside having motion, pushing foreigns. You see him. And seeing is believing. Men lie, women lie. They say numbers don't, but video and pictures don't neither. You know how mad I was when wifey destroyed that? Because I had the footage. I'm standing next to French. He looking up at me like, yo, big dog, you security? I'm like, yeah, something like that. And the whole time I'm like, yo, this nigga looks soft. Like I could just off with his kufi, catch him going outside. See, that's the type of time I was on back then. I was on that animal instinct. You understand me? I was like, yo, I know that chain on his neck costs a grip, and I could get some money at the pawn shop. That's what type of shit I was on. I ain't gonna hold you. But when you got receipts, you understand? How you living? This is me after the streets, my guy. That's what I'm saying. So Kiss didn't go to jail. So what? That means if you went to jail, that means you got caught for your crimes. You got horsed in the game. Horse. You lost. Some of us win. Some of us played that game, got out of that game, and evolved in life. Stupid. We're not supposed to remain in the same game. Like, how many fucking receipts I gotta pull up for boy? Like, seriously, I could keep going. For what? For what? This dude is a bozo. So let me bring Bozo back to the screen and let him run his dick mouth, pause, some more.
So you could see a reaction. What was the reaction? See, Jadakiss probably didn't see it the way I see it. He probably seen it, or he probably not. Oh yeah, China Brim put it in the comment section. He want to talk about I haven't experienced prison, which he haven't. But I'm going to go up there and see the homies. You want to know one thing, Jadakiss, and I respect you for what you did. But one thing, because you said this. You said it feels so good leaving. While you left, there's thousands of them staying. Do you understand that? Put that in the comment section. When you left, it was 1,000 of them staying. They still getting treated unfair. Brutality, disrespected, and the list goes on. And guess what? Some of them is never going home again, or never will see the day of light. But you went up there.
So to the audience and to the trolls and to the real ones, to whoever subscribe to my channel, I appreciate it. So is it Jadakiss' fault that all these people got horsed in the game? That's all I want to know. Is it Jadakiss' fault that 050 did massive time in jail and he's a hood booger, never had no motion outside, no foreigns, no nothing? He just now reaping benefits from YouTube. See, some of us don't need it, man. I'm like how Max is styling on Jim Jones and I've been locked up for 16 years. I'm styling on 050 right now. I need to see receipts. At least Hassan. Now Hassan got me now. You know what I mean? Because he been on YouTube having crazy motion. He getting that bag. You know what I mean? So he can show and prove. He can pull out Benzes. He back in his backyard feeding the fishes. I'm in my backyard floating and swimming. There's a difference. So I'm in that conversation. But all you guys, you dirty ass Harlem legend, Uncasa lookalike, you know what I mean? Yo, boy look like Uncasa for real, man. For real. In real time, in real life, he a Uncasa lookalike. But this George Jefferson receding head, I know he like, damn, J Cash just stunning on me again. What can I do to beat this dude? Nothing. You better get some more Apple Pay. You better wait for that monthly check from YouTube. Upgrade your whip game, your house game, your backyard game, your man cave game. Then holla at J Cash. You want to talk about made men, don't know people's backgrounds, what they did in the streets, because you was locked up, you dirty Brooklyn blood. And you still look dirty. How you got all these subscribers and still look dirty? You supposed to look like Hassan. Supposed to look like me, shining. You sitting in the car looking scraggly, put that in the comment section. You dusty. Yo, get this dude some Apple Pays, man. Yo, it's so many people you can say he look like, man. He like Derek Fisher, son. Yo, son, he a Derek Fisher lookalike. This dude is a bozo in real time, man. A clout chaser. Living off of YouTube. He has no other outlets. He has no other way of life. I hope he gets that Hassan bag because he needs it. Because you looking dirty. Like, how you got 70.3? If I had 73, trust me, I'm going to be up here styling on you. Like I'm styling right now. Derek Fisher looking like ass nigga. Get that boy, yo, Hassan. Apple Pay that boy, man. Fucking sucker, man. Ain't got just because kids didn't do no time. I don't understand it. A man has to do time to be official. I didn't do no time, but I bet you I'll break your damn jaw. I bet you I'll break your jaw in real life. We need to set that up. Because I'm sticking up for my people from my hometown. YO Yonkers, stand up. I want to shoot the 5 with this SpongeBob fail nigga. Now, I want to see how tough you is, Billy. Now, I'm challenging you to a duel. Let's get busy with the hands. No weapons, even though they around. Do I got to show receipts on that? I got hitters in my own house. Hold up, because you know, my nickname is Mr. Receipts. You know that. Like, I'm cooking this bozo today. Nickname.
Yes. Okay.
And we go from there. And we go from there. Because I want to break your jaw in real time. Now, I'm challenging you to a real duel in real life since you want to talk about my peoples. I'm Mr. T in you right now. I got 3 different shines on right now. I'm Mr. T in you, boy. I'm challenging 05. Let's get busy with the hands. No hammers. Let's take it back to the old school, because that's how I was raised. No hammers, because I got those too. There's a 30 sitting in the crib right now. And 3 other hammers. 20 gauge and everything. All legit in wifey's name. You don't want to go that route. Let's go to the fist. Now let's see how your so-called, what you call those people, man? Put it in the comment section. Put that in the comment section. Yo, that boy Jay Kaz, he said he want to shoot the 5050. Now you have to respond, nigga. Word to my handicapped son in the room. I want to get big. Since you did all that jail time, your hand game should be immaculate. And I did all this time outside in the streets. I know my hands is official and I could take a hit. Let's get to it. Let's get to it. You want to run your mouth about my peoples? Like you know what goes on in YO politics? Kiss is a boss. He had yes men. Come on, man. Let me put this bozo back up here, though. And I'm going to sign off and eat my breakfast and enjoy my Sunday. I might go in the backyard and watch football on the 100 screen. I think it's a 150-inch screen or something like that. You know what I mean? This fucking bozo, this bum, because you didn't do jail. So you gotta do jail time to be official.
And you made them feel there's a possibility that they can make it. I respect that.
You know what I mean? Put it in the comment section. Green Haven. Put it in the comment section. We just came from Green Haven, man. Put it in the comment section. Fucking real in there, you heard?
Don't compromise quality insurance for savings or your time.
Yo, for real, man. Fucking bozo. I'm signing off, man. This J Cast, the real one. You heard? We gonna get to that. We gonna get to that, man. Happy and part of self. Happy Sunday, man. I'm gonna enjoy this. You know what I mean? Listen, he gotta show and prove. With all those subscribers, you gotta pull out. You gotta do something. You gotta do something, man. Damn. Dirty, receding head, garbage head, Gargamel looking ass nigga. Man, I'm out of here, man. 100.